Conditions. Today, our warm up is going to be more focused on our finding the area. And then I'm going to give you two different examples because I think we're needing a little more practice on that. So, our first example is finding the area of this rectangle, and the dimensions are 12 and 3, and we'll say centimeters. So I don't know my 12s, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a larger rectangle and make it into two smaller sizes. And I'm thinking, what number plus what number is 12? So let's see, I know 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4 is 12, so I'm going to say 8, and that's a bigger portion, plus 4. So what I did was I took 12 in the larger length and I divided it into two smaller shapes, 8 plus 4. So now I can figure out the area of this rectangle and the area of this rectangle, and then I'm going to add them together. So I know area is the space inside, length times width. Well, we all know that chant, but really, Miss Doyle, what does it mean? How do I use that? So the formula, that's what we're going to call this. Area is equals length times width. So I'm going to say length is the longer side, width is this. So how I use that chant is length times width. So this would be 8 times 3. So down here, 8 times 3, or could I also say 3 times 8? I'm going to do that one instead. 3 times 8. And then I'm going to add right there this area, which is 3 times 4, 3 times 4, and then I'll end up with the overall area. So 3 times 8 is 24, plus 3 times 4 is 12. So if I add 24 plus 12, 4, 5, 6, 2 plus 1 is 3. I have 36, how do I label that? Square centimeters. Square centimeters. And it's square centimeters because I'm saying 36 squares will fit in this overall area. So now actually we have determined the area for this large rectangle by saying these two shapes added up equals the entire area. So if I go back to the original measurement, 3 and 12, length 12 times 3, 12 times 3 is 36, 36 square centimeters. So I'm going to have you practice a different version of this today in your warm-up. Boys and girls, please spend a few minutes working on your warm-up. It's important and it'll get you ready for our quiz that we're having next. Thank you.